All right, now we start the energy bar, vitamin protein bar gauntlet. Starting off first, Manly Brandon, Dirtbike, aka Batman, with the Fulfil chocolate peanut caramel, however you say it, however you want to say it, I don't judge. Vitamin and protein bar. Let's get a little whiff here.
Like a Snickers bar.
Yeah, it smells like a Snickers / Reese's. That's a very good. All right, cheers.
Cheers. Very chewy.
Very incredibly chewy. Got that protein bar consistency. Almost tastes like Tootsie Rolls. Not bad.
Definitely not what it is, but it's good.
If you need an energy protein